a lot. It's a lot, but you know, nature wins. And I just saw a lot of friends' homes go down. Luckily, my place saved. We lost a lot of homes, and it's unfortunate, but that's, you know, part of the world we live in today. On a brighter note, it's nice that we get our town back for a little while, aftermath, but yeah, it's devastating, you know, to see your community burn so frequently too. It's like a part of life now. But on a positive note, you could see the ocean again. I mean, you go by all these houses, they're all burned down. You have a clear sight of the ocean. So that's like, as a native, or maybe going back to the Chumash Indians, real natives, that's the positive note. But yeah, hey, you know, nothing, it's all stuff. It's easy for me to say because I didn't lose mine this time. It's just stuff. As long as we have our family and our friends and our health, it's all that matters. And the memories will come and they will go and they will come again. And, you know, let the good times roll, man. Let the good times roll.